When the pandemic hit our doors, we were not at all ready for our physical health in a different way. Many people find themselves closed behind the doors and feeling like they are left alone. And that is why we are going to talk about the simple steps that you can follow each and every day to keep your mental health easy and peacefully healthy. So, live in light. I am Kirti, Energy Alchemist. I help people to transform their lives from negativity, sadness, and confusion to be healthy and happy each and every day. When this pandemic hit, when COVID-19 came into existence of our consciousness, that is when we became aware of our physical health. We had been working with our health professionals to find the steps to stay away from it, to be physically healthy almost all the time so that we won't catch this COVID-19, right? We had been working, but we let all the mental health being alone. We didn't notice that we are getting obsession about cleaning. We are getting depression because we are not able to meet people around us. We are getting different kind of minor and major mental health issues because we are not able to meet and find help around us. That is why it is more important now to work on your mental health each and every day, because that is how you are going to be at peace no matter how many pandemics hit your door, no matter how problems, big, huge issues come into your life, into the existence. So the few things that we do not focus on, we do not understand at all, are much easier steps that we need to focus each and every day and understand them every day. The first thing is to focus on what is going on wrong in our life. Are we healthy in our relationships? Are we shouting too much? Are we angry too much? What is going on in our daily life? Are we frustrated easily? Are we not able to express our feelings easily? These are few things that you need to focus. You need to sit down and relax yourself and ask yourself questions. What in my life is making me angry, frustrating me, and what in my life that is going wrong? If your physical health is going downwards, if your relationship is going downwards, and if your interaction with yourself and others is going downwards, then you need to focus on mental health actually, because something is going on in our brain that is not perfect. There are neurons that are working tirelessly to keep ourselves healthy at physical level, but what is going on inside needs help as well. Our brain needs help. Our brain needs to breathe, and that is why it is important to work on your brain, on your mental health. That is how we will heal. There are warning signs about your mental health whenever you feel that something in your relationships is not perfect. When you think that in your work life you are not feeling perfectly working on your job or your business, then you need to focus on things, your relationship with other people, your relationship with yourself, and your physical health. If you are feeling like you are eating too much or too less, if you are sleeping too much or too less, and you are feeling different high and lows in your emotions, then you need to focus on your mental health. Work with your physical health professional and your mental health professional as well. Go on and find help. Talk to someone in your family who can understand your mental health. People who are around you, your friends, are just a phone call away, and you can call them anytime and talk that I'm going through this, I'm going through that, and what should I be doing? If they can help, then do work with their help. If they can't, find a help that is professional. Find the counselor, find the clinical therapist who can help you through therapies and through walking you down through the mental peace exercises that can help you uplift your mental health. That is how we heal. And you need to be aware that your first steps about your mental health is to be focused on what is going inside you and around you. It is all about you. If you haven't checked that you are a creator, go on and check the video, because that is an important step. You need to know that you are a creator. And when you understand that everything going on around you can be healed by you, you can easily take steps which can change your life, and that is what is needed. We passed away 1 year, huge year of pandemic, and we are into the next phase of this pandemic, COVID-19, but we are still struggling over the mental health issues, because people are not that aware about small mental health issues. If you haven't checked the mental health issue video, go on and check it as well. Some minor things that you can focus on is deep breathing. As I talk almost in all my videos, that deep breathing can help you to uplift your energy, to keep your brain easy and relaxed. I cannot stress it more than this, that deep breathing in through your nose and exhaling through your mouth can help you relax your mind, body and soul. And you have to make it a practice to do it every day for at least 5 to 10 minutes. That's all you have to. That is going to bring peace into your mind and relaxes your brain. The second thing that you can do is sleep. You have to notice about the sleep pattern. Are you sleeping too much, or do you have insomnia? Do you sleep too little and you are stressing too much while you sleep? When you go to sleep, focus on positive thoughts, because that is how you can sleep down easily. Instead of focusing on all the problems, relax your mind and focus only on the positive things. You can find the audios which can uplift your sleeping pattern, and you need to notice about your sleeping pattern. How many hours a day in 24 hours you are sleeping, and if you are not able to sleep too much, or at least 6 to 8 hours, which is essential for our body, because our body needs to recharge. And if you are not taking that much amount of sleep, you need to notice. Go on and track your sleep daily. Go on and write down on a sheet that I am sleeping from this hour to this hour throughout the 24 hours. If you are taking a nap, note it down. If you are not taking a nap and still sleeping 4 to 5 hours throughout the night or early morning hours, then you need to focus on relaxing yourself and sleeping. Please take time to sleep at least 6 to 8 hours. That is essential for our bodies to recharge for the next step. And the third thing is that you can note down name of a few people, your friends or family or relatives, that you can go to when you feel stuck, negative, confused or angry or frustrated about something in your life, about relationships, about yourself, about your work or anything. Note down the name of people that you can go on and talk to. That is how we heal. Until you connect to people, until you talk to people, you are not going to help. Keeping yourself positive almost all the time is difficult, but deep breathing can help you. Finding positive affirmations, finding positive words for yourself, I'm not good enough, is not perfect. That is negative, yes, and it will bring on more suppressed feelings, more depressed feelings for you. So go on and shift it to I am awesome, I am loved, everyone loves me, no matter what happens, no matter what your family, what your bosses, what your anyone talk about you have to uplift yourself, because you are your best friend, and that is how you grow. I am talking about almost all the time about growing onto spirituality, and these are few steps that can help you in your mental health as well. Our spirituality is connected to our physical body, mental body and soul. That is how we work. That is how we grow. These are a few steps, only a chunk of steps that we can instill in our daily life, and that is why I bring chunks of steps that you can follow each and every day and change your life for the betterment of yourself and your family and your friends. So go on and work on these steps. If you are feeling stuck, comment below and let me know Where are you stuck? What is going into your mind? And I am going to reply you back about the step that you can take right here, right now, and change your life for the betterment. That is how we grow. And if you like this video, share it with your friends and family, because you never know whose life you are saving by sharing a little tip. Live in light, enjoy your life, and have fun.